Today, me have be one of the first set of persons to review that song here by Shatta Wale. Dropped less than 24 hours ago. And it's called Africa Mandiba. You what now? You see Shatta Wale now in black. So you know, so me have to find my black too. Because black is power. You see me? Me also have to go find a chain. Shatta, I chain this you know. But you're a big though. You see one of the pendant right there, so send it by FedEx to me here, sir.
So many years I've been waiting for this. So many times I've been praying for this.
Anyway, him say Africa Mandiba. No, Mandiba is really and truly Nelson Mandela. Hold on, let me tell you something. Who say when Shatta Wale say, coming like Africa Mandiba? Tell me if that not sound powerful in the song. Before me run out of here, my recommendation is
go to Bars Beats on YouTube for full video.
Coming like Africa Mandiba. Definition of being a giver. Could I hear the whole place?